Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to learn to make a sprite exercise in Scratch. Let's get started. Let's get started. Today's project we aren't going to make in MBlock. We are going to make it in scratch.mit.edu. Go to this website link and click on create. The link is also given down in the description. Now as our page has opened, click on the new sprites option and search for a sprite named Ben. Ben. After you get Ben, click on Sprite 1 or the cat over here and click on this dustbin icon. Now let's start doing the code. These are different categories. This is the motion category, looks category, sound category, events category, control category, sensing category, operators category, variables category, and my blocks category. So now, after you take this sprite, we have to go to events and drag out this block where it says when flag clicked. So whenever this flag option is clicked, it shall execute the code inside here. Then give that it should go in a forever loop, so it will repeat it forever. Drag out the loop option and put your code inside that. We shall change the color effect by 25. Over here, drag out this block and we shall change it to next costume. These are the different costumes. Now if we run it, can't see Ben do the exercise because it's going very fast. Put the wait command so it shall wait for 1 second and then it shall change to the next costume. You can increase the seconds if you want. Now let's put some fun backgrounds. So you shall put bedroom 1, bedroom 2, bedroom 3. After this is done, you go to backdrops and delete the first plain backdrop by clicking on this dustbin icon. After that is done, go to the Ben sprite and then go to looks, drag out the next backdrop block. So now let's run the code. So did you like Ben exercising? You can even make your fun codes in this. And then you can mail me on demporoboticsacademygoa @gmail.com. Thanks for watching. If you want more Scratch tutorials like this video, subscribe to my channel and even comment and share. Thank you friends. Bye.